remote control of all our field assets, basically it saves the time of having to send manual labor out into the field to actually manually open a device to de-energize for something. In the case where we had the hazardous material spill, the local emergency management resources called in and wanted the area de-energized. It was merely a safety precaution for the local emergency management and the fire department to do what they had to do. So from the office, operator was able to go in here from the desk and open this up, take control, opened it up, de-energized the neighborhood without actually having to send somebody in the quarantined area. Air quality was not good, so it saved workforce from having to go into the hazard zone and kept everybody safe because we were able to remotely control things from the office. There was a benefit to the customer. We saved outage duration to approximately about 600 customers that would have seen an outage had we not had remote control capabilities, because we were remotely able to move load around and feed them from different directions.